Alright, so Quincy's opening and doing the unboxing here. I seen the look in his face.
Ah, yeah. Great.
But you got a manual? How thick is that thing? Oh, that's thick.
Thick.
Yep, thank God I got the PDF version. Already been studying it. Okay.
These are power supply parts.
Yeah, you take them out, everything can come out. So what is that?
Belts.
Yep, got the jacks, power cord.
Okay. And that's the rig.
You might want to use two hands minus a knife for that one.
This one is heavy, man.
Yeah, it's heavy. There it is. That's the back side, front side.
It's the front. Good, yeah.
How heavy is it? Pretty heavy?
Yeah, 25 pounds.
Oh, okay. Well, this is.
You probably should leave this in this box in.
Think so?
Yeah. Just tell them that you have to have it professionally packed.
Mm-hmm.
In the box that it originally came in.
Right.